Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and clear cache for Roblox on your iPhone. First, you want to go to your settings, go to general, click on iPhone storage, okay? Because let me explain to you one thing first. There's no way to directly clear the Roblox cache on iOS, but one workaround is to offload the app and then reinstall it, okay? Click on that, and then what you want to do is come here and tap on Roblox. You may have to scroll down to find this option, and then all you need to do is come here and tap on offload app. This will delete the app itself, but your data will be retained, okay? And then all you need to do is go back to the App Store, search for Roblox, and then reinstall the app, and all of your data will be retained, but the app's cache will be clear, okay? And it's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.